What's the meaning of convey? Convey. Convey.
Convey. Convey. The word convey means to communicate a message or information from one person to another. It can also refer to the transportation of goods or ideas. The act of conveying involves transmitting a message or item in an understandable and clear manner so that it can be received and understood by the intended recipient. The result of effective conveyance is successful communication and exchange of information, which leads to better understanding, cooperation, and productivity in various fields such as business, education, and interpersonal relationships.